Welcome to InfyGyan. Today in this video we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started by factoring our denominators. So if I will write here x square plus 2x minus 3, then we can write x square plus 2x can be written as 3x minus x, which is 2x minus 3. Now from first two terms, x is common. So we will write x plus 3 in the bracket. And from last two terms, we will take minus 1 common. So x plus 3 would be in the bracket. So our factorization would be x plus 3 times x minus 1 or x minus 1 times x plus 3. Similarly, we will write second denominator x square plus 6x plus 5, which will be factorized x plus 1 times x plus 5. Similarly, we will consider x square plus 10x plus 21, which will be factorized as x plus 3 times x plus 7. And our last denominator x square minus 2x minus 15 can be factorized as x minus 3 times x minus 5. So there must be plus 3 here. So we can write these factors for our denominators. So I will write 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 5 equal to 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 7 plus 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 5. Now we will rearrange our terms. I will take this term to the RHS and I will take this term to the LHS. So we will write 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 7. And in RHS 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 5 minus 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 5. Let me write here. Here it is. Now we can write here x cannot be equal to plus minus 1. X cannot be equal to plus minus 5. Denominators cannot be 0. X cannot be negative 3. X cannot be negative 7. Now from our LHS, we are going to take x plus 3 common in the denominator. So we will write here 1 over x plus 3 common. So in the bracket, we need to write 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 7 in the left hand side. In RHS, we'll take LCM. So we have to write over here x plus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 5 times x minus 5, which we will write x square minus 5 square or 25. In numerator, we will multiply x plus 1 with x plus 5 here. So we will write x square plus 6x plus 5. And then we will subtract with the product of x plus 3 with x minus 5, which will be equal to x square minus 2x minus 15. Now in LHS, we will take LCM. So we will write x plus 7 minus x plus 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 7. And in RHS, x square will be over from the numerator. 6x plus 2x will write 8x. 5 plus 15 will write 20. In denominator, we'll write x plus 1 times x plus 3 times x square minus 25. Now plus x and minus x will be cancelled out. We'll get 7 plus 1 in the numerator, which is 8. So we'll be writing here 8 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 7 in the LHS. And in RHS, we'll take 4 common. So in the bracket 2x plus 5. So I will write here 8 over, we'll write x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 7. And in RHS, we will get 8x plus 20. So we will take 4 common. So in the bracket, we can write 2x plus 5. And in denominator, we'll multiply x plus 1 with x plus 3 with x plus 5 times x minus 5, which is x square minus 25. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So we will get 2 in the LHS numerator. Now we will multiply both sides by x plus 3 as x cannot be minus 3. So x plus 3 will be cancelled out from denominator. So we will get 2 over x minus 1 times x plus 7. And in RHS, we will write 2x plus 5 over x plus 1 times x square minus 25. Now we have to cross multiply. So we will write 2 times x plus 1 times x square minus 25 in the LHS, and in the RHS 2x plus 5 times x minus 1 times x plus 7. Let's multiply. We'll write 2 times in the bracket x cube, then we'll write plus x square, then we'll write minus 25x, then we'll write minus 25. In the RHS, we will multiply the last two brackets first. So 2x plus 5 would be as it is. Here we will write x square plus 6x minus 7. Now we will multiply with 2. So we will get 2x cube plus 2x square minus 50x minus 50 in LHS. And in RHS, we will write 2x cube. Then we will write 12x square plus 5x square, which is 17x square. Then we will write minus 14x plus 30x. Value will be equal to 16x. 5 times minus 7 minus 35. Now we can subtract 2x cube from both the sides. So this term 2x cube will be over. Now we have to take all the terms to right hand side. We will get 17x square minus 2x square, 15x square, 16x plus 50x. We will get 66x. Now we have minus 35 plus 50 in the RHS, which is 15 equal to 0. Now equation is divisible by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. We will get 5x square plus 22x plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. So if I will write the value of a, b and c, a is 5, b is 22, C is 5. We'll write formula once. X equal to minus b plus minus a square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here we have the values of a, b and c. So we will get minus 22 plus minus a square root of 22 square minus 4 times 5 over 2 times 5 will be equal to minus 22 plus minus a square root of 484, this is square of 22, minus 25 times 400 over 10, which we can write further minus 22 plus minus a square root of 384 divided by 10. This is the value of x. Now we have to factor 384. So we can write 64 times 6. 64 times 6 is 384. So we will write x equal to minus 22 plus minus a square root of 64 times 6 over 10. Now this 64 will come out from this square root as 8. We'll get minus 22 plus minus 8 is square root 6 over 10. Now our numerator is divisible by 2. Denominator is also divisible by 2. So we will write here minus 11 plus minus 4 square root 6 divided by 5. So we have two solutions, two real values. We will write x1 equal to minus 11 over 5 plus 4 square root 6 over 5. And our second real solution would be x2 equal to minus 11 over 5 minus 4 square root 6 over 5. So these are our two real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.